Several months ago, I started experiencing a lot of different ailments, a lot of headaches, bloodshot eyes, pain in my face and jaw area. My neck became very stiff to where I didn't have full range of movement, had a lot of sore throats, and even a lot of tingling consistently in my face and arms and hands. And the doctors could not figure out anything that was wrong with me. Came in for a routine cleaning, and when I began to describe my symptoms to Dr. Rosen, he told me that he knew what was wrong, and through some testing he was correct. I went through the process of having my jaw taken care of and realigned using the process that Dr. Rosen does, and it was phenomenal. Wearing the splint at first was a little awkward, but it didn't take any time before it became very comfortable, and I preferred to have the splint in as opposed to having it out during the day. I immediately, within a week or two, began to find that my symptoms were going away. The headaches were subsiding. It seemed as though my whole face and neck and shoulder area began to relax. The tingling eventually subsided, and before long I realized I wasn't experiencing any of the symptoms that I had had prior to the treatment. The treatment was painless. It went very smooth. And I looked forward to and anticipated that day when the final restoration would occur. When that took place, it was a week-long process, but went very easily, very smoothly. Again, there was no pain. And after the restoration occurred, I was thrilled with not only the fact that my teeth and my bite felt so normal and so natural, but also with the aesthetic look and how my smile turned out and how things worked out in that area. But the greatest benefit was to be completely pain-free and to feel like I have my life back again, and I'm not worrying about all of these ailments that I had been experiencing. And who would have thought that it was due to a dental issue, and that this dental procedure did wonders in order to take care of all that. So I feel like I have my health back, my life back, and the side effect is a beautiful smile.